Hey Libra, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Oh my gosh, see, but they have to get out of a situation first. They have to get out of their heads. They got to stop being so stubborn. They need to free themselves from whatever situation that they're in order to give you this offer. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the devil reverse, please. Yep, that's the decision that they made. Okay, so somebody's finally making some moves. But is it too late? Somebody said yes. But okay, we're going to keep going. All right, so yeah, this person... This person could definitely be focusing on their money right now, because even though, yes, they want to come and give you an offer, if they're not financially secure, they're not going to give you this offer. You know, they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Oh, Libra, didn't I tell you, you have somebody else coming in? I'm like, okay, by the time they get it together, they want to come back in. It may be too late. That's their problem. I have two guys here, okay? It could be two men, but, ooh, well, damn, I was trying to say two women. Okay, so time out. All right, so look, whoever I'm talking to, it's two guys, okay? So take it however it resonates with you. But there are two people here, okay? So by the time your person, the past person tries to come in, there's somebody else here. And they feel like you're going to cut them off. See? And they want, it's like they want things to improve with you, but they're afraid that it may not because of this other person now. This person hurts you. They hurt you. See, Libra, you could be dealing with another Libra. I do feel like they're going to tell you the truth. For some of them, just because justice landed on top of judgment like that, I do feel like them removing themselves from a situation, maybe there was some type of like legal situation here where they had to wait on some type of like judgment, like a court decision, or it's like a contract. There's something that they had to get out of in order for them to free themselves from someone else. See, regardless, it's like they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore, but they don't want you to walk away from them. I told you, this person is not content with their finances, whoever I'm picking up on. That's their focus. This is definitely a soulmate already. This is a soulmate situation. This person's upset. Okay. So, they're upset because they can't put in the work, you know, to move forward with you just yet. They're trying to come out of that energy as far as like being upset, being frustrated. But they're afraid by the time that they come to you, you're going to let them go. So, this person, it's like they're listening to their intuition. And I'm seeing that they do want things to improve with you. Look at that, 9 and 10. They want a family with you. Whatever cycle's been going on is done. Look at that, 2 of Cups. Yeah, this person's coming in. They want they're going to give you an offer of a relationship. This person definitely sees you as wish fulfillment. They're going to ask you out. They definitely want to take you somewhere. See, they want to heal things with you. I just heard trip. Yep, see, some of you, I don't know where y'all going, but with everything going on. But look, some of them may say, hey, you know, I could just take you out somewhere locally. Hey, are you coming into town? Or I'll be in town. Or, hey, I got us tickets. You know, we can go to an island. You know, whatever it is, they're trying to work this out with you. So don't be surprised if that eventually happens. Because, see, at this point, even though they're frustrated that they're going to lose you, I'm telling you, they want to balance this out. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries. But see, this person, I'm telling you, they want stability with you now. They want a family with you, okay? This person is like, they're coming to their senses. Look, didn't I tell you they want a family with you? They want a baby. They want a baby, and they want a baby now for some of y'all, okay? But right now, they can't move forward with you just yet. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Okay, maybe for some of you guys, they might have a child or children with someone else. Or maybe they're the child in the situation having to take care of a family member. But regardless, I'm seeing that you're going to get an offer. But see, I told you they can't move forward with you just yet because they're feeling stuck. This person is still feeling trapped in another situation. Tell me more. They do want to heal things with you. They left you out in the cold. That's what worries them. Okay, so hold on. Ew, oh, this is karma. Okay. Let me tell you something. Yeah, this is karma. Okay, I told you how they treated you, Libra. They're going through it right now, okay? Or cross-watcher, if you're dealing with a Libra or we're dealing with a Libra, they're going through it because of what they've done to you. And it's like I told you, they want to come towards you, but they can't just yet. I told you, they're going through some type of karmic lesson. They got to finish that out. They have to complete that cycle. And the thing is, they're going to have the confidence to come towards you to give you an offer. Tell me more. Yeah, but they feel like you don't want to put any more time or energy into them. And this is why they're stuck trying to make a decision. Somebody could be dealing with the Pisces, but I do feel like they're listening to their intuition, but there is some fear because they had you waiting around. Like, this person has been ghost for a good little minute. You know, they've been in some type of situation for a while, you know, and now it's like they know that they're going to have to move fast if they want to balance things out with you. Because I'm seeing that they're going to take a leap to come towards you. I told you, this person wants to be in a commitment with you. They see marriage, but they're not moving as fast as yet. Like, they're still taking their time. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Lots of Four of Wands here. They got to put an end to a family situation first. A home situation, a living situation. See, this person took a financial loss. That's why the focus was on money. You know, it's like they were waiting around. And now they're sad. See, I told you, they're in a codependent situation for money. I told you. Look at that. Ace. Look, I told you. It's money. It's money. They're worried about their stability. Their money ain't right, okay? It's looking real funny. So, the thing is, they got to remove themselves out of this third-party situation, and they're having a hard time doing it. Tell me more. But they're clearing away those obstacles. They may be struggling trying to figure out, okay, how exactly am I going to get away from him, her, my mom, dad, whoever, but I'm going to do it. Yeah, this person, they were like, somebody was holding on to them tight. And this is why they got to make a change. And I'm seeing that right now, they're isolating themselves from you. So this person hasn't approached you just yet, but they will. Okay. Somebody, let me back up. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. Sorry if I said it or not. Could have been dealing with a Virgo. I did not, 2 9s, and then the 9 of Pentacles jumped out. You see what I'm saying? This person has been going through a cycle for a long time, and now it's coming to an end, okay? This person is freeing themselves from a situation. They're going to get out of it. They are. Look at, that's why I said it like that, because in my head I'm talking to y'all. I'm like, why did I just say another 9? I got 9, 9, 9. I told you, okay? That is a huge angel number. It's wrapping up. This person has learned their lesson. The completion is it's almost done. You get what I'm saying? They're right there. They're undecided about what to do when it comes to you, you know, because they look at you as someone who's positive. You're a blessing to have. And every time they get the courage to say something to you, they don't. Maybe something is blocking them. See, communication. I told you, they want to communicate to you, but if something's blocking them, like, did y'all block somebody? Or, you know, is it just them? You know, the fear. If something is blocking some type of communication, because I'm seeing they want to talk to you. Okay, could be dealing with an Aquarius, but the way that came out, it's like they're losing hope, even though they're trying to hold on to hope that they can have something real with you. But the seeds that they planted with you, they feel like it's just not going to grow. But you're going to get an offer from them. See, they're manifesting something new. They want you bad. But see, they're in their head. They're thinking about everything that they put you through. See, they caused an imbalance in the relationship in the past. See, there's a family situation. Maybe this person's arguing or there's some type of conflict with family right now. Could be dealing with a Gemini. This is why they feel like they're not going to have this new opportunity with you. But I'm seeing that they will make a decision. They feel like it's not going to go anywhere. See, they don't even know what to do to fix this. They don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Could be dealing with a Leo. Yeah, they're afraid they're not going to have a victory with you, and that's why they're not talking to you. They feel like they're not going to be able to turn things around. And I feel like a lot of them just try to just move on, you know, but they can't because they can't stop thinking about you. So they are going to have the confidence to come towards you, but right now they feel like things aren't going to improve because you're done. You cut this person all the way off. You told them about themselves, and you were like, that's it. It's a wrap. Bye. You know, amongst other things. But, yeah. This person messed up, and they know they messed up. Alright. Well, then. Let's see. Get you some advice. Bottom of the deck. Seven of Swords. Y'all like, this person is sneaky. Nope. I don't trust anything that they have to say. Look, you're like, no, I don't see things improving. I don't see things healing. I don't want to put the work in with this person anymore. I'm over it. Y'all are done. But see, Spirit is saying they need you to listen to your intuition, because I knew you're not learning a lesson. You don't want to move forward with this person, but you're missing something here. So let's see. Why is the Wheel of Fortune reversed? Okay. They're saying that you're saying to yourself, okay, I don't see myself having a family with this person, but you're not listening to your intuition. 11, 11, 11. You see what I'm saying? You're not listening. You guys are just annoyed. You're irritated. You're tired of this connection. You're tired of the cycle. You're done. See, you're having a hard time with this connection. This is something that a lot of y'all signed up for before, you know, you were reincarnated to this earth, okay? And you're like, you know what? I'm trying my best to let it go, but it's like something keeps me holding on to this person, or it's like I can't shake this person and I'm over it. You know, I feel like this person, they're not giving me the offer. They will never be able to give me the offer that I want. They don't offer me any type of stability. See? Codependent. It's like they're in a codependent situation and I'm over it. I'm tired. I don't want to go through this anymore. This person moves extremely slow, but Spirit is saying something's getting ready to pick up. Let's see. Yep, things are getting ready to turn around, Libra. But you're back and forth with the Tower. Okay, somebody's avoiding a Tower moment. Tell me more. It's okay. Y'all ain't lit. Okay, so y'all are tired. I would just keep saying, y'all are tired and you're annoyed. It's like you're doing everything possible to move on with your life. You're wanting someone new. You're tired of this past person. But Spirit is saying, we keep showing you signs. We're showing you this person's name everywhere. We're showing you number synchronicities. We're, you know, throwing songs at you. This person's invading your dreams. You know, it's like, it's a lot. And you're like, okay. They're telling me things are going to improve, but I don't see it. I don't see things improving. But Spirit is saying they want you to keep focusing on yourself. Just keep healing. Keep moving forward. Tell me more. But you guys keep thinking about what took place in the past, and you're like, it's above me, okay? This situation is above me now, okay? There's nothing for me to do. I'm realizing I'm not going to have a commitment with this person. I don't want it. This person didn't balance things out. I don't see how they can, and I'm tired of being the only one putting in the work. I'm not doing it anymore. But there's the sun. You can have happiness. Give me 10 more, please. See, which just jumped out. You're like the seeds that were planted. I don't see them growing. Your guard is up. Yeah, your guard is up, Libra. You're coming off cold and harsh to this person. But they're saying you're stuck, because you got to make a decision. So, Spirit wants you to come out of being frustrated at this point. But you're annoyed. You are annoyed. You're back and forth with justice. It's like, this is you wanting the truth, realizing the truth. Some of you guys are speaking the truth. Tell me more. Yeah, this person's coming back to give you a stable offer. They're saying you're going to have a new opportunity here. That's what they're saying. Stop overthinking things. Come out of being frustrated. But see, you're back and forth with the Ten of Pentacles. At one point, it's like, deep down, you love this person. You care about this person, but you're over the nonsense, you know. And you're like, you know, I don't see how we can move forward. I don't see how he or she can come back from this at this point. But bottom of the deck, Spirit is saying you can have a victory. But it's free will. So this is good. And this is interesting. So I need y'all to leave me some comments, okay? Libra, let me know. Just let me know, okay? Yeah, this is good. We're going to see how this plays out. Y'all, I love each and every one of you. I hope you enjoyed your reading. And yeah, until the next time, talk to you soon, Libra. Bye.